All right, let's dive into a device that's not just a simple upgrade. Oh no, this is a direct shot at the king of the tablet world. We're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, and the big question our source material is asking is, can it really, finally, dethrone the iPad Pro? You know, for years, one name has just completely dominated the high-end tablet space. But the source material for this whole explainer, it's asking a pretty bold question. Has that time finally come to an end? Is there a new device out there that does everything the iPad does, but maybe even better? And this is the device that's making that claim. The source we're digging into today calls the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra a redefinition of what a tablet can be. Whoa, that's a huge statement, right? So let's break down exactly what they mean by that piece by piece. Let's start with the very first thing you're going to notice, the feature that the source says is the absolute heart and soul of this thing. That incredible screen. I mean, just the sheer scale of it is the first thing that hits you. 14.6 inches. It makes other large tablets feel kind of small. And somehow, it's packed into this premium aluminum body that is just 5.5 millimeters thin. To give you some perspective on that, that's thinner than most phones you can buy today. It's wild. So you hear this term Dynamic AMOLED 2X, and you might wonder, what does that tech jargon actually mean for my eyes? Well, it means colors that just explode off the screen. They're so vibrant, they make other displays look washed out. The source points out that the blacks are true, inky deep voids, and the whites are just so bright. It creates this incredible contrast, almost like a 3D effect. Now, here's where this number becomes a feeling. 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. What that really means is that everything you do, whether you're just scrolling through a website, sketching with the S Pen, or playing a fast-paced game, it all feels unbelievably fluid. Just buttery smooth. And this is where all that tech talk pays off in the real world. You put all those specs together and what you get is what the source calls a cinematic experience. And that's not just some marketing fluff. It's bright enough that you can actually edit photos in direct sunlight, and watching HDR movies on it, it feels like you're in your own private movie theater. You know, in the end, the review boils the entire display experience down to this one simple but really powerful phrase. It's not just a screen, it's an immersive portal that just pulls you right into whatever you're doing. A huge win for Samsung, according to our source. Okay, but a beautiful screen is kind of useless without some serious horsepower behind it, right? And that brings us to the next massive pillar of the S10 Ultra, its performance. We're talking desktop-level stuff here. Under the hood, this thing is an absolute beast. This isn't your standard off-the-shelf processor. It's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, and that for Galaxy part is key. It's a version that's been custom-tuned with higher clock speeds, and according to the source, that little bit of custom tuning is the secret sauce that unlocks its incredible performance. So what does all that power actually let you do? Well, it means you can edit 4K video and it won't even stutter. It means you can have a bunch of demanding apps open side by side and there's just zero lag. It means you can fire up a game like Genshin Impact, crank all the settings to max, and get silky smooth gameplay. It makes multitasking not just something you can do, but something that's actually enjoyable. But, you know, raw power is only half the story, especially for artists and creative pros. And that's where the S Pen comes in. It's a huge part of the experience. And unlike some of its biggest competitors, Samsung actually includes it right in the box. A nice touch. The real magic of the S Pen is how responsive it is. We're talking about a latency of just 2.8 milliseconds. I mean, that number is so incredibly low that the delay between your hand moving and the line appearing is, well, it's basically gone. Your brain can't perceive it. The source says it feels just as natural as putting a real pen to real paper. And check this out. Here's what the source calls a hidden superpower that a lot of people miss. S Pen to text. You can literally just start writing anywhere, in a search bar, a text document, wherever, and your handwriting instantly turns into typed text. It's described as being shockingly accurate and honestly a power user's dream. Okay, so we've got an amazing screen and desktop level power. But how does all of that actually stack up in the real world against its biggest rival? This brings us to the main event, the showdown between Samsung's DeX software and Apple's iPad OS. The comparison in the source material is pretty direct. The number one advantage for the S10 Ultra is software flexibility. Samsung DeX literally transforms the tablet into a real desktop experience, with windows you can resize and a taskbar at the bottom. That's something iPad OS still really struggles with. Then you add in the superior AMOLED screen for those true blacks, plus the fact that the S Pen comes with it, and the S10 Ultra starts to build a very, very compelling case. But look, let's be real. No device is perfect. And the review is very clear about a few things it calls minor quibbles that just, keep the S10 Ultra from reaching absolute perfection. So here they are. First, there's that small camera notch on an otherwise flawless screen. It's a tiny intrusion, but it's there. Second, while the tablet supports super fast 45-watt charging, you have to buy the charger separately, which is always a little annoying on a premium device. And finally, some Android apps still aren't perfectly optimized for a screen this massive. So, after weighing all the incredible strengths against those minor annoyances, we get to the final verdict from the source. Who is this giant, powerful, and, let's be honest, expensive tablet actually for? This source is really specific on this. If you are looking for the absolute best, no compromises allowed device for watching movies and media, this is it. If you're a digital artist or a heavy note taker who needs a powerful creative tool, this is it. And this is the big one. If you need a portable productivity machine that can genuinely replace a laptop for most of your tasks, the review says this is the one. And that brings us to the final, really powerful takeaway from the source material. The verdict is clear. If what you've heard here, that unrivaled flexibility, the jaw-dropping visuals, the blistering performance, if that's what you demand at a tablet, then the recommendation is simple. This is the one to get.